Hi guys, it's Sunday night, getting ready for market trading tomorrow. I try to get to bed kind of early, but I had some grocery shopping to do. And I gotta tell you, I'm really concerned because I don't know how people are gonna survive this. I noticed that things like pork are going up like, okay, let's just put it this way. It was 99 cents a pound just in December. And here it is January, and it's $7.99 a pound. So do the math on that. And then steak, same thing. Well, we were running about like $6 a pound, and now we're running like $16 a pound. So that's way more than double, obviously. Let's just be smart about this. This does not look transitory, guys. I want you to be prepared for much higher inflation. Kroger said that they're going to be increasing their rates by 7%. So I don't know, think about what comes, what does Kroger have? Like chips and crackers. They have a lot of products. So if they're looking at like close to a 10% increase on their end, the grocery stores are going to charge more to advance that as well. So I'm hoping that you stocked up. I'm hoping that you listen to me, because otherwise, I mean, you got to have a foundation of food to start with. And maybe if you just buy the little knickknacks here and there, it won't be as bad. You know, I don't know. I heard that my sister-in-law, she went to the dollar store and things were $1.25. That was to be expected. We heard that they were going to do that. But how much worse does this get, you guys? I don't know. Be prepared. Remember, when everybody starts to buy silver, it's too late at that point. So, you know, also, like I said before, you want to get in and buy your gold, because gold is really going to be the one that you can store. People, I heard, you know, in like Venezuela, in, you know, in places where they had like really high inflation, where they weren't allowed to store a lot of commodities, they would take things like, you know, a necklace, and they would cover it in like rubber, or they'd paint it black, like some crap black thing, so that they could hide it but keep it with them. And gold was a really good way to do that. So just an idea. I know I don't want to be like, God, the world is ending, but I would hate to have something happen and nobody have told anybody, hey, we're watching the markets and we see a lot of problems coming up. You know, I've done market analysis for many years, and we kind of knew back in 2008 that things were really bad. But they've kept it going. I have to give the Fed that. They've kind of, you know, swept things under the rug. Good for them. It still looks good. But, you know, things are starting to look really bad again. And I'm not seeing that, you know, having inflation climb up like this, I see no way out. They've already done the stimulus programs. They've increased and decreased interest rates. So, you know, if you guys know something more about this, please let me know, because I kind of get freaked out when I do things like I go to the store. I get kind of sad because I'm like, oh my gosh, I just spent like $500 on groceries. I got 5 bags. 5 bags. Okay, well, you know, I get it. Some of that was those little Cascade things that, you know, cost me $29 for a box of 100. $29? This just cost me $11 just a couple months ago. How about grocery bags? You know, little Ziploc bags cost me like, oh, I don't know, $5.99. They were like $21. So I don't know. I don't know if it's just my store that just like lost its mind, and they're like, hey, we're going to charge more. But you guys tell me, I'm going to plan on going to the stores this week. And there's several grocery stores around me, and I want to get a really good look at what's going on. If you guys know or you see anything different, you know, please comment and I will talk to you. You guys have a good night. Good talking to you. Oh, don't forget the market tomorrow. I'm expecting the market to take a hit tomorrow, for it to kind of have a downtrend a little bit, just because the thing that happened in Kazakhstan is now kind of squelched by the government. By the way, I feel really bad. I heard a lot of people died out there. It was not a good thing, because the protesters were really dealt with in a very harsh way. But it is what it is at this point. But that means that volatility is going to be less in the markets for oil. And the market usually moves in that way when we take a dive that kind of, you know, affects the whole thing, the whole sector. But be aware of that, you guys. Okay, but beyond that, silver, gold, much love to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll talk to you all very soon. Thanks.